This is probably the most fun part of the night, so thank you.
I love information so much.
It's always great just to meet new people and learn from them and teach them the things I've learned along the way.
We always love coming to Ditto X to present. It's so good for us to get in front of members of the independent artist community.
We like to democratize the music industry, especially for independent artists. So all of the data is available to you in one place.
Learning how there is a possibility for us to access that much information was just so exciting to me. Being able to talk through all of the logistics, but also the emotion, wins and losses and pitfalls that come with being an independent artist.
It was a really insightful panel, really informative, especially hearing from the DSP side of things with Audio Mac.
The more artists who are well versed in how to navigate this business, the more successful they will be.
Our panel was about how to authentically build your career, building upon your fan base, and that's how you're going to succeed.
How to stay true to yourself and develop your fan base the right way.
So great to see so many artists and managers in the room and to really hone in on authenticity.
Young developing artists don't know what they don't know, and it's always nice to pass some knowledge on.
I think that's the most eclectic I've ever had on feedback sessions. The quality and level of artists, the highest I've ever seen. Definitely made New York proud.
Fabulous opportunity to be here with industry professionals, just hearing their take on the song.
Hopefully everyone just got one or two of their key questions answered and really helped them take that next step with their career.